Another tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for eastern Marshall County, north central Tazewell County, northwestern Woodford County until 11:30 a.m. At 10:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Spring Bay. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Metamora, Washburn, Varna, Toluca, Winona, Cazenovia, Low Point, Larros, and Pattonsburg. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 28 and 41.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Spring Bay and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Metamora, Washburn, Varna, Toluca, Winona, Cazenovia, Low Point, Larros, and Pattonsburg. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 28 and 41. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The following is a summary of what...